Hello and welcome to my channel. We are back with a new case today. We have got an iPhone 12 Pro Max for LCD replacement. There is a twist. We have to replace the LCD IC also. I will show you the whole step-by-step process, how it is done. LCD IC is replaced because there will be no unknown display message pop up in the settings. First, we will install the safety metal bracket to drill the IC on new LCD. Then we will start drilling the IC. This is a time-consuming and a precision process. We keep on drilling unless we see the flat surface showing all pads. We need extra caution as a small mistake could be fatal. Now we will take off the IC from old screen carefully. If we lose any pads on this IC, we will have to make them all. Heat control is very important here. Any extra heat can make the IC faulty. Remember, we do not need the old LCD, we only need the IC removed safely. Once the IC is removed, we will clean the glue on it. We will clean and reball the IC under the microscope. We will reball the IC using 138-degree solder paste. Now the IC has been reballed. We will now install it on the screen we have already prepared. Metal shield is installed below the IC for protection from heat. Any excessive heat or carelessness can cause burn marks on the screen forever. As you can see, the IC is installed now. It is time to test. The screen is working perfectly normal. For more videos like these, subscribe to my channel.